Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, mic check. Testing the levels, testing the levels. Testing the levels, testing the levels. Turn off some of that noise. What's good? It's your boy E coming back at you with some more finance solutions. Bro, the stream's looking very unstable. Look at this. Alright. Thought I'd just drop back in for Power Hour, see what's going on. Look at Meta just chopped sideways all day, bro. So glad I'm not trading that thing anymore, bro. I mean, I closed out all my positions earlier, except for the YOLO, whatchamacallit, the YOLO Getty. But I got a feeling like that one's not gonna work out because I grabbed the wrong strike. I meant not the wrong strike, the wrong expiration. But we'll see. I mean, what's today? Thursday? Yeah, it expires tomorrow. Yeah, you might as well give it another day. Let's see if we get any action on Power Hour. Look, that thing tanked and hasn't even been able to go red to green. I'd love for Getty to be able to do something, bro. I mean, at least it went red to green. Let's see if we get some Power Hour action. Not really looking like it. Looking flat, bro. That's why I just freaking took my little gains and got out the way, dog. Look, Meta tried to get up there. We'll go back red to green for a second. Got up the previous close and rejected. It's like nothing really worth trading like later in the day, really. I mean, the SPY came down to VWAP and looks like it tried to bounce. Nvidia trying to do a little something. Dang, man, maybe I should have stayed in that SOXL, huh? Let me see. Yeah, Nvidia ran up. No, I was still in SOXL around that time. That was before lunch. Yeah, since then it's just been flat. That's why I just closed it out. Yeah, ain't nothing really going on. I mean, look like there's some rips to fade right now, actually. Get the SPY. Came up here to this level right here and like rejected decent. Double top here. What's that? 373.63s. Came up there and hit that thing and rejected. Decent. And the Qs, like Qs aren't even over VWAP. Just looking weak. Yeah, very much going on. Seeing a lot of red prints, bro, coming in on Meta. They still trying to fade that thing, bro? They won't leave my dog alone, bro. Yeah, just flat, bro. Ain't nothing going on, dude. Oh my god, it's like hot in here, bro. I think it's the lights on the computer. Let's check out what let's check out what some of the plays off of the watch list did. Look at that. That was off the watch list. It's been on there too. So, I mean, you could have caught it yesterday on the way up. And then when we topped out up here, I mean, obviously that's the real top, but I'd say the more real top of the range and resistance is here. What's that, 93 cents? I mean, that would have made for some nice fading. Could have faded that thing for the rest of the day, bro. Even off the open. Look. Off the open, bro. I mean, the resistance, you would have seen pre-market resistance there. This thing couldn't even get up there. I mean, perfect. It would have been, I mean, if you're a rep fader, that's kind of almost like an A+ setup. Because you see the resistance is up here, right? Off the open, this thing's trying to catch some momentum, but it's getting up to VWAP and rejecting off of VWAP and the 120. So once you see that, you know it's, you know what I mean? You know it's probably okay to go ahead and fade it. And that would have worked out. Let's see what else we had on there. Hold up. All right. Not bad. Here's another one off the watch list. I mean, it gave you some action. You know what I mean? If you're one of those traders that like to, find plays with high volume, you know what I mean? Some rippers just to go ahead and scalp. Could have scalped that thing up. I mean, I don't really. I mean, when I was day trading, like the equity, yeah. But as far as buying the dip, I'm trying to catch some upside. Like, I'd rather wait for it to get up here and reject twice and then fade it. Look, off that second test of the top of the range, some nice fading action the rest of the day. Let's check out Stoxel. I was trading that thing earlier. I think I closed those contracts like up over 100%. But okay, yeah, I faded Stoxel yesterday. Caught it from here during the press conference. Faded it up here all the way overnight to down here. And then when I seen us bottoming out earlier today, you can go back and watch the stream. Once I seen us bottoming out, like with the rest of the market, I took a long position. So I made money both ways on that today. Let's see what else we had on the watch list. Here's one off the watch list. I mean, did most of its running and ripping in pre-market though. But this is one to keep your eye on because it ran and ripped during pre-market. Didn't really do nothing much during the day, but notice how much it gave back. It didn't really give nothing back. This is just profit taking. So it ran and ripped up, and then people took profits. But look where it put in a higher low. From where it came from to where it's basing at and where it seems to have some support at, around the 223s. If it can hold that level, this thing will be a multi-day runner. So keep your eye on that one. And this thing ran and ripped during pre-market. Like I always say, what goes up must come down. And you see something running and ripping up that far and that fast, it's gotta come down. Right there is gonna be your resistance at what's that, 85 cents. I mean, the right trader could have faded that thing from pre-market. You would have had to probably short it via equity though. Things like in danger of getting delisted. Yeah. And some other ones that were on there. Man, this thing's been riding. But see, this is what I mean by this is what I mean by multi-day runners. Look, ran up, they took profits, but it ultimately put in a higher low. So when you see a stock running up, you know, obviously people are going to take profits, but the key to a multi-day runner is, does it give it all back, or does it give back half or whatever? And in this case, look, it gave back not even half. So that sets you up for the multi-day run. Look, from here to here, the higher low. Then again, ran up, gave you another day of running. Then to here. And then ran up, and then ultimately the momentum runs over with. But notice, it still never gave it all back. So right now it's trading at about $1.70. So it still never gave it all back. So I mean, you know, something to keep your eye on there. Never gave it all back. So there's still people in it. All right, let's keep our eye. Let's check out the broader market. Market just flat, dog. Yeah, see? I ain't really missed nothing, bro. Like my chair ain't in the right place. I'm feeling very uncomfortable. Hold on 1 second. Let me get set up right. Green is looking like it's very unstable. I mean, the SPY done got back above this 120. Might give you a little power hour run for whatever's left. The Qs are just flat though, bro. Yeah, sometimes, bro, like sometimes there just isn't any trades. You don't necessarily have to trade every day either, bro. That's one thing that took me a while to figure out. Like sometimes there's no trades. Look at Getty running up though. Thing's been in a little choppy uptrend there. That thing gets up high enough, I start renting. There ain't nothing going on, bro. Shoes are flat. Let's go. Let's check out Apple. Look at Apple, bro. I don't know, man. Ain't really. It wasn't really much. Yeah, you could have just painted this thing from 142 to 139s. I mean, yeah. And all the trades are basically off the open, bro. That's where you see the most volatility at, usually. I mean, you 142.50s down to 139.50s. That's what, $3? I mean, there's a move there. I mean, there are some trades. Just had to be surgical with it. And you always want to be surgical with it. Fade and rips. I mean, Meta. This is a prime example of why I like to trade Meta though. Look. Gave you range both ways. Could have faded. To the bottom of the range. Or about to dip to the top. Faded. Bought the dip, faded, bought the dip, faded, bought the dip. And then after 2 o'clock, just flat. Look at Getty. I expect to see my P&L moving up decent pretty soon if that thing keeps doing that. The stream's just looking like mad unstable, dog. Nvidia gave you some range to trade off of today. That's why I was trading SOXL. Well, I took advantage of that just in a different vehicle. Check out what AMD did. You would expect the same thing, basically. Yeah. Damn. AMD ripped even harder. Look at the heat map. The semiconductors are green. That's kind of strange though, because look, you got Nvidia and AMD up decent on the day. SOXL, not so much, but SOXS is also green on the day. And this is the bearish. This is a semiconductor bear. So there's some inconsistency somewhere out there. And that's what traders, especially day traders and traders in general, especially options and derivatives, you want to look for inconsistencies, like in the market, like in the premiums, like in the volatility. And I mean, look, Nvidia, AMD, both green. SOXL, red, which is long semis. SOXS, green, which is short semis. So that doesn't make any sense. So there's definitely a trade somewhere to be found in that. I need this Getty to get back up here, bro. Dropping mad frames, dog. Yeah, ain't nothing really going on. I mean, I like what I'm seeing from Getty though. I mean, if this thing gets up to 650, that can be another little money printer for me. Look at Meta. That power hour. Look, it's crossing over the 120. Look, that thing's catching some strength, bro. Look at that. I mean, the play would have been catching it from VWAP, because look, we sold off, bounced off VWAP in the 120, hit a resistance, sold off, bounced off VWAP in the 120, and then kind of chopped around, but based off of the 120 and VWAP, and then some volume came in here. But I mean, this is resistance. Oh, unless it can break above this resistance with some strength, it's probably too late. Power hour, a little bullishness coming in though. Q's struggling, bro. So more than likely, it looks like Meta's gonna get up to this resistance and sell off. If it is able to get over it, there might be something in the what price is that? 89.95. So the 90 strike, you'd have to have it loaded up and ready. But I'd feel more comfortable fading it if it gets back up here. Like if it gets up here for a second to the 90s, grab the 89 put and fade it. It's not a bullish market, bro. It's a rip faders market. I'm not used to having that thing backwards like that. I got it flipped. Rip faders market, bro. Look, what did I tell you? I'm gonna be more comfortable fading it off this resistance. And I mean, it's backed up by the SPY. Also, Nvidia rejecting up here at the top of the range. So there goes your inconsistency trying to level back out. If Nvidia keeps fading, so what you want to do, right, is be watching Nvidia, and if this thing cracks the 9 and starts heading back down the VWAP, you go long on success. Because if this thing cracks and starts heading to VWAP, this is going to start running up towards VWAP. Grab some success calls. The 65s. Let's see how much they are. Man, widespread, bro. The ask is $2.45. The bid's $2.20. So you got a 20-cent spread. See how that thing would have played out. $64.90. Look, you can see like these two are the inverse of each other. So the more this fades, the more this is going to run up. And look, got the 65 for a second. Putting in higher highs as Nvidia's fading. The thing would have worked. The spreads and shit, Getty look like it's doing something. Hold up, let me keep Getty on watch. Oh yeah, Look at Getty. Over VWAP, went red to green, over the 9, over the 120. Yeah. Look. What did I say? Grab the 65s. I mean, they would have already worked. The spread was just wide though. You would have had to eat like $15 if you bought on the ask. But I mean, if you're grabbing like 5 or 10 of them, just this move from right here. I don't know. That's a pretty wide spread though. Because if you grab 10 of them and you're eating a 15-cent spread, you're eating $150 off rip. I mean, that's too much. Only for it to freaking reject. You'd have to be surgical with it. Man, you always want to be surgical with it. Oh, damn, bro, the Qs is flat. Them things are never able to do nothing, bro. Got up to that 120 and rejected. Reject, reject. That's why I used the 120. Looks like we're seeing a dump going into the close. Look at the SPY. Look, those 65s are in the money, though. Oh, I'm seeing some movement on that Getty, bro. Look at that thing. Increasing volume. I mean, it's low, but compared to what it usually gets, it's pretty. It's decent. Look at that, bro. Freaking going into the closed rug pool, my guy. On the SPY, look at that. And the Qs. Look at those 65s would have did something for you. Look, 65.20. Look, they were 220 on the ask. Now they're 255 and going higher. I mean, you knew there was something there just from the heat map, because how AMD and NVIDIA could be in the green like that but SOXL be red and SOXS be in the green. It doesn't make sense. If SOXL is long semis and SOXS is short semis, you would expect SOXL to be green when these are green, but it's the opposite. So that's what put me on to this SOXS right here. And they're just dumping. And notice what I said. Remember what I said. When you see capital start flowing out of the market, like the overall large caps, such as the SPY and the Qs, capital will flow into speculative type short squeeze plays like this. And you can see it right here. Look, these are dumping. This is going up. I mean, just little things I've noticed from just being in the markets. I mean, stuff that you see isn't always going to be 100%, but, and then look, these things would have been printing, bro. Look at this. Look at that. Look, now the 65s are worth 260, 270. They're worth 220. So they're worth $50 more right now. So grabbing 10 of them, I mean, $500, bro. Just right there. And when did I start streaming? About 40 minutes ago. $500 right there. I was able to spot on about a half an hour. That's why you need to watch my stream, bruh. What you mean, bruh? I don't see nobody showing you plays like that in real time. If they are, they're charging you for it. Right? Look, yeah, it's gonna, you expect for it to have trouble at the 120, but this is where you be getting out. From here to here, you already printed. So that's your price target. Now they're worth 265. They were just worth 220. And I mean, as long as the SPY and the Qs keep selling off, and so does Nvidia, you can expect success to keep going up. And look. 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 Oh, they're worth 270, 275 for a second. They were just worth 220. And the SPY's tanking, so you can expect this thing to go up even higher. Freaking my Getty keeps playing with me, bro. But again, if you got the strikes for next week, you're good. Look at this. 280 now. So $60. $280 now, bro. 60. So grabbing 10 of those would have made you 600 right quick. Look at that. And they're going higher. 285, bro. Look at that. That thing about to cross over VWAP. If it gets over VWAP, bro. And looking at Nvidia, I mean, if Nvidia keeps tanking, bro, it's definitely going to get over VWAP. I mean, see, at this point though, like you had already cashed out. Like, because if you're grabbing 10 contracts, bro, like you don't even need to see a move this big. All you need is like from something from here to here, bro. Not even from here to here. All this is just extra, bro. Look at that thing breaking above VWAP. Some things would have printed. Ooh. Well, bro, I called it, bro. Why the hell is Nvidia and AMD in the green, but Success is in the green? That doesn't make sense. You feel me? If these are long semis and these are short semis, why is this green with the semis? And look at this. Now $295. So $70 times 10, 700. 30 minutes, bro. Someone explain to me what job you're gonna go to and clock in for 30 minutes and make $700. Please tell me where that job is and I'll go apply. Look at this. $295. Dang, them things about to be at $3. So 300. Look, 310 now. So what was it? They started at 220. They were just at 310. So $90. I'm still making highs, bro. A new candle just opened above the previous candle. 310. $3.10 they're worth now. They were just worth $2 and freaking 20 cents. Now they're worth $3.10, almost $3.20. So yeah, you would have actually made it. If you would have grabbed 10 of those, you'd have made $1,000. in 30 minutes. And anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell an equity, derivative, or a cryptocurrency. This is for educational purposes only. You hear me? Thing's still printing on the way up, bro. All the way until market close. Be willing to lock in them gains. Be ready to lock in them gains right about now, bro. Look at this. You seen nothing but green prints, bro. Look at that. There's still some inconsistency there, bro. How much are they worth now? $320. So $100 even on each one. Hey, no, maybe you didn't want to grab 10. You could have grabbed 5. That still would have been $500. Or shit, maybe you want to grab 30 of them mugs. Yeah, now we talking about 3 racks. 3 racks. Oh, they're still going up, dude. 3 racks in 30 minutes? Hold on, I need to do the math on that. $3,000 divided by 30. So what's that? Looking $100 a minute? I don't know if I did that math right. Seems like $100 a minute, bro. Yeah, 100 a minute, bro. That's like lawyer money, my guy. 100 a minute. Yeah, that's how much the doctors and the lawyers make, dog. I'm telling you, bro. Go ahead and sign up for that watch list, bro, and that Patreon, my guy. Go ahead and get you some of this money, man. Get you some of this doctor and lawyer money, bro. I could start you a new career right now, bro. You feel me? Start your new career right now. Look. And I mean, look. Nvidia. I mean, if you just look at the chart. You see the top of the range. Yeah, we broke above it for a second, and then all day we could never get back above it. So you know that's a pretty decent resistance right there, right? So you just watch it. And you see it come up here and reject. I mean, there's a few things you could do. You could grab puts and fade them. You can grab some SOX S equity, or you can grab some calls, or you could grab puts on SOX L. I mean, different ways you could go about it. But yeah, market's over with. Man, that's it, bro. Hope everyone did good. Made some bread, dog. There's definitely opportunity out here. You just got to be able to adapt. That's it. But see, now this thing wants to bounce after hours. But look, we already cashed out by now, dog. Look, look. At the end of day, they ended up being worth $3.20. When I first looked at this and then pulled up the option chain, they're worth $2.20. So extra dollar per contract, which means an extra $100 per contract. You feel me? So I want anyone to please go find me a job where I can go clock in for a half an hour and make $1,000, where I can make $100 a minute. If you would have bought 30. Where can you go clock in right now and make $100 a minute? I don't know, bro. I don't think it exists. I could be wrong. Look, this thing's still ripping, bro. They're worth more now. Like after 4 o'clock, the option chain, like my option chain don't update. I'd have to log into the web app. But anyways, just thought I'd come back and show some face for Power Hour. Try to add a little bit of extra value to the channel and the live stream. You feel me? Through some live price action. And the theory and psychology behind it with real life plays that are valid right now as we speak. Not what do you call it? You know, like I can't think of the word right now. You know what I mean, though. Not past tense price action, real live price action. All right, there's a difference. The difference is, if you would have jumped on that play right there, you would have been $1,000 richer in 30 minutes. Someone uploading a video later, like that they can't offer you that. You know what I'm saying? Like it's already gone by then, bro. So, not to say that there's no value in you know, other types of content, but you gotta ask yourself, I mean, if you're just here to be entertained, that's fine. But if you're here to make money, then, you know, we gotta separate the entertainment from the real value. You feel me? Yeah. Yeah, bro. That's all. Just gotta ask yourself, you know, are you here for real value or for entertainment? That's all. And that's fine if you're just here for entertainment. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. But anyways, it's your boy E. Coming at you with some finance solutions. Alright, if you learned anything or found value in the content, don't be afraid to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, and get the hell over to my Patreon and Discord to sign up for that daily morning watch list and briefing, which gives you that edge. Brethren, peace.